Hello everybody, welcome to Maths Cook House, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe of the Chatpate Karele or spicy bitter gourd. Even if you don't like Karelas, you are sure to enjoy this lip-smacking dish. To begin, take about 300 grams Karelas, wash them well and slice them thinly. Place them in a large bowl, add 2 teaspoons of salt, mix well and leave aside for at least 30 minutes. This helps to reduce the bitterness. After 30 minutes, wash the Karela slices and drain them well. Heat a cup of mustard oil for deep frying until smoking point and let it cool a bit. Deep fry the Karelas in batches until they are semi-cooked. Remove and keep aside. To prepare the masala, heat 2 tablespoons of the same oil for added flavor. Add in a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them crackle. Add in 1 medium onion sliced, 1 sprig of curry leaves and 2 to 3 sliced green chilies. Saute for a few minutes. Add in 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and saute until the onions are translucent. Next, add in the dry masalas, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder jeera, 1 tablespoon coriander powder dhania, and 1 teaspoon amchur dry mango powder. Mix well. Add in a bit of water so that the masalas do not burn. Now add in the fried Karela slices. Mix. Add in 2 tablespoons tamarind pulp and a bit more water. Mix until the Karela slices are well coated. Cover with the lid and cook for a minute or 2. Check the salt and add more if required. The Chatpate Karele are ready to serve. Garnish with fried curry leaves and enjoy them with chapatis. For more such recipes, follow me at Maths Cook House and be sure to like, share and subscribe.